Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today we are going to talk about is Bitcoin going to 2,500? We're going to look at updates. We're going to answer some questions, guys. Let's get this party started. I mean, today the market dropping bombs. The market is dropping bombs like crazy. Looks like we're gonna sell off. So we're gonna talk about that, guys. Okay, we're gonna talk about that. And if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button because I know some of you guys are tired of losing. I know some of you guys are tired of hearing the market is going to the moon. I know some of you guys are tired of hearing this is the bottom. Bye, bye, bye. I know you're tired of hearing your favorite coin is going to hit a magic number by the end of the year. So if you're tired of that, definitely hit that subscribe button because over here, guys, I'll only give you guys the facts. All right, the facts is basically the chart right in front of your face. The chart will never lie to you, okay? This is why I was able to make money this year and last year, and my students was actually making money too. So it's all because of the charts. If you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. If you don't know who I am a professional day trader. Okay, I day trade Monday through Friday, the financial markets. All right, I trade the crude oil future markets, and I also swing trade the crypto. So if you want to learn more about that, how I'm able to just look at the chart, I don't care about news or anything like that, and and just make money from that. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. All right. We're going to get to some questions today. Shout out to everybody that's coming in. Let me see if I see anybody in that chat room so far. Let me pop this out real quick. So hopefully we don't have no problems today with the live stream. I decided to go with Google. I decided to go with Google Chrome. So we will see. We will see. And also, guys, just remember, if you have any questions, type it in. So, what's going on with Brandon Harris? What's going on? He said something crazy. Oh, he's doing yeah, please don't no websites here. All right. So let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick. Let's see what's going on, guys. All right. Right now at 126 billion. The dominance is at 53.7. Pretty much everything is red. No double digits, but it's still red. Okay. We didn't get the double digits this week or this day or today actually. But overall, we still in the red. We are still in the red, guys. So I'm hoping some of you guys didn't buy the bottom or tried to buy this bottom right here. I'm hoping. Hope you guys just chilled and either made money on the downside, okay? Because I know some of you guys, especially some of my students, anybody that's my student right now, let me know if anybody made money in the downside to the downside, guys. Let me know. Let me know if you made any money to the downside because I'm hoping a lot of people didn't buy this bottom right here because it's just you know, it's just reckless. So let's see what's going on here. We was talking about this on my last live stream. We dropped. We went back to the breakout. We created a small head and shoulders. We dropped again. We created some channel right here. Now we're breaking out the channel. Okay. And it's a strong possibility that we most likely probably hit the lows again. All right. And it's just what it is. It's just how the market reacts when it goes down. Okay. You have to expect more downside if the pressure is to the downside. This is the first decent up move from this breakout, so you have to expect this to fail. Okay, it's too obvious for the average Joe to make money from this, and you know it is what it is. You don't want to get caught up in anything that's too obvious. All right, and you know I talked about this. What is it? Sunday, yesterday, I think. You know, put on your seatbelts, guys, because this week, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, guys. This week might be another roller coaster. Okay, so just be careful. Be careful, guys. So can we see 2,500? You know, it's a possibility, but right now, my first target would be 2,900. And we probably bounce from there, but it all depends, okay? It doesn't have to bounce from there, okay? We can slice through that and hit that 2,500 or 26, 27. All right? It don't have to stop right there just because there was support before. All right? So, like I said, we will see if they want to bring this thing down or consolidate for another 2 weeks and then bring it down again. All right. But right now, everything is looking weak, guys. It's just what it is. I talked about Litecoin the other day. And I don't know if you guys remember, but I said that it had a gap on. We had a crazy spike. Okay. And we had a gap right here on the chart. I said, guys, most likely they're going to fill this gap. And that's exactly what he did. Okay. So, you know, we will see if they will continue tomorrow or this week, continue to sell. Let me see what's going on in this question. Good boy said, hey, Ben, you're the best, man. Shout out to you, bro. What's going on, Davina? What's going on, Travis? Bridget? Oh, I think I'm saying that right. Randy, Crypto Corey, who else? Glenn. Shout out to you guys, man. Thanks a lot. $2,500 this week. I'm aiming for 50. Shit. Nah, I'm not saying 2,500 this week. I'm just saying that it's a possibility that you know we will hit 2,500. Period. All right. We will see if they want to bring this market down this month, because what could happen is we might have the opposite effect. I talked about this before. If you noticed last year around November 11th we shot up. This year around November 11th we shot down. So we could have an opposite effect to the downside, you know. So just be careful, guys. Let me read these questions here. If you're new to my channel, you don't know what's going on, you're shocked, you're nervous, you're sweating, you're tired of losing, you're down 80-90%, and you're sick and tired, hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. All right. Richard said, good news, Ben. We mean good news. What happened? What's the good news, Richard? Went out of business today. ETC Dev went out of business today, for real. What's going on, Richard? What's going on, Jason? Barbecue. Mark said I'm shorting. Shout out to you, bro. I think we going to hit 41, 42, and then reject to 2,800. You know, anything's a possibility. Anything's a possibility. Lance said, man, I missed out. You missed out on what? What you missed out on, bro? Crypto Corey said, Ben is very knowledgeable. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot for the kind words. Yeah, hit these likes. Someone said Litecoin. Yeah, man, Litecoin is, you know, it's getting hit hard. Let's look at these other coins real quick. So, Ethereum looks similar to BTC. Okay, let's go on the 4 hour real quick. Yeah, so very similar. Has a channel. Broke out that channel. Okay. And now we just have to wait to see if they want to test the lows. I don't see why not. The market is very weak. The whales know that people want to buy the bottom, so they will make you suffer. All right, that's how the whales operate. They want to make you bleed. They want to make you suffer. They know you're buying the bottoms. Okay, even Tone Vase is buying the bottom. So, you know, so they're gonna try to make guys suffer. If I was you, I wouldn't be buying any bottoms at all. Let's look at XRP. What's going on with XRP? So yeah, XRP, guys. I told you guys, was that yesterday, I think, or day before yesterday? I said I don't like how XRP looks, even though we had this trend line right here. It looks weak, and most likely we will continue to go down and break these. Once we break at 30 cents, depending on Bitcoin, most likely it's probably going to be a quick flush. But we will see. But this definitely looks weak. I could definitely see it going back below the 31 cents and probably go lower and hit the lows. Okay. And, you know, it is what it is. That's how the bear market is, guys. It will trick you. The bear market is all about tricking you. Shout out to Randy, guys. Randy gave me that super chat. Let me give him a round of applause. Just paying my taxes for my last trade with this. Shout out to you, bro. Randy's making that bread. Richard said, you speak the real ish, bro. Your channel is the truth. Thanks a lot, Richard. I appreciate it, bro. Shout out to Randy making his bread. Let me give him that ka-ching button. Paying his taxes. What's going on, Dom? You see a sending wedge? Okay. Richard said 2,500 hopefully. All right, I hear that. You missed out on the bank. Okay, you missed out. You wasn't paying attention, Lance. Yeah, man, I'm proud of Randy too, man. Randy been having a lot of success, so I'm proud of him, man, making his money, bro. That's what it's all about, guys. All right, that's what's all about. I told you guys before that my channel is all about making money now. I mean, most people seem like they are allergic to making money now. Okay. The reason why most people in the crypto space don't talk about making money now is because these guys are new. All right, they're new to the space, guys. All right, they don't know nothing about anything. They don't know nothing about the financial world. They don't know nothing about making money from the charts. They don't know nothing about technical analysis. All right, guys, just think about it. Just remember, okay? Remember last year. All right, last year, the videos that you saw from YouTube, I would say at least 90% of those videos that you was watching about cryptocurrencies was about news, right? No one was talking about technical analysis last year at all. Hardly, maybe a few, right? Now, all of a sudden this year, everybody is a guru when it comes to technical analysis. Everybody wants to look at the chart, okay? And you know why? The reason why most people want to look at the chart is because they're confused. They're like, oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on. Let me see if I can find another way to figure out what's going on. So let me look at the charts. That's what they're doing right now, all right? Because you have a lot of YouTubers last year saying that technical analysis was garbage. And then this year, that's all they do is look at the charts. It's like, you know, so you have to understand, you're following people that are rookies, right? And you can never grow if you're following people that's on your same level. These guys are on your same level, okay? They learning just like you. So you have to learn from the pros. You have to learn from the pros, man. You know, those guys are jokes, and only thing they can do is just read the news to you. That's it. That's it. So, if you're new to my channel, guys, hit that subscribe button because I know you're tired of losing. I know it. You don't have to tell me. I know it. So if you want to change, if you just want to change and figure out what's going on, hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn how to make money now in OW, hit that subscribe button because that's what my channel is all about, guys. All about making money now. Me personally, when I first started out, I started out in the bear market, so that I understand bear markets. So when I came on my channel and basically went live and tell you guys, hey man, I don't like how the market is looking. It looks like we're definitely going to continue to go down. People was laughing at me. All right. It's just because I know how to read the charts and I understand the bear market real good. All right, 2008, guys, 2008 in the stock market was no joke. No joke. I mean, things was just going down. It was no joke, put it like that. Let me see here. If you have any questions, guys, please type in your questions. All right. They have no more money anymore for the project. Yeah, so yeah, I heard about that. Who knew? You said ETF is dev team has no, yeah. So, you know, so basically, guys, that's the, you know, I told you guys that's that's just the beginning. All right. A lot of these coins are going to go bye-bye. All right. I mean, you have to understand these guys have to cash out. So a lot of these coins are going to go to zero because they don't, you know, they're not really doing anything in the real world. Okay. And there's no demand at all. There's no demand for those coins. So it is what it is. I told you guys before that was one of the reasons why we have to continue to, or that's one of the reasons why I told you guys we are going to continue to go down, because in order to wipe out those crap coins, the market has to go down. That's the only way. I mean, think about it. If the market goes up, that means that those coins will survive, okay? But the market has to continue to go down because those coins have to get wiped out, all right? Just like the dot-com bubble, guys, all right? The dot-com bubble, if you look at the chart, you know, everything had to go so low to the point where it had to crash all the companies out. All right. And this, honestly, you know, this reminds me of the dot-com bubble, because, you know, people just you know, creating ICOs and coming up with a coin, try to hype it up, right? Try to hype it up. The dot-com boom, right? They created a website. These guys had no revenues, no nothing, and they made millions of dollars. All right, and then when my mother started to ask me about Bitcoin, that's why I knew, okay, you know, it's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. If my moms know about this, it's a wrap. It's a done deal, guys. Shut it off. That was pretty much the top too. That was the top. All right. When she said, "Hey man, you know, what is this Bitcoin stuff?" I was like, "Oh, that's it, guys." You know, because they hyped this thing up so much. So right now, you know, everything is coming back to the norm. All right. Prices is coming back to the norm. And it is what it is. You as you as a investor, you have to understand that this is how it works. Okay, we have cycles. Unfortunately, a lot of people bought at the top, so some of you guys have to, the guys that bought at the top, some of you guys have to take that loss and basically learn from it. Okay, that's what I did when I first started out. I had to take losses and learn from those losses. Oh, let me see here. Guys, if you have any questions, please type in your questions, all right? Please type in your questions. This live stream is about me going back and forth, answering questions and giving you guys updates. Big Ben is beyond crypto. Please believe that they will learn from him. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot. How high you think this correction will be? What do you mean? I think we saw the high already. Okay, so I mean, this was the correction right here, and it dropped. So most likely we will continue to go down. I don't see a reason why they will bring it back up. It's just, honestly, there's really no reason to bring this thing back up. So I think we are going to see the lows. They go back to the lows again. Okay, so if they do decide to bring it back up, you know, it might just be a fake out, or they might test 46 or 48, but I don't see them going back to those levels. Doesn't make any sense. It would make more sense to go to the lows and wipe out the newbies. Okay, so a lot of newbies are buying the bottoms right now, so it would make more sense to wipe out those guys and stop them out. Take their money. Do you see a stock market crashing coming? Yeah, it's coming, but I don't know when. You know, the stock market is a whole different ball game, because you're talking about trillions of dollars. Okay, these guys' money is long, so it is what it is. Let me see here. Someone said, is TRX wiped out? You said, is it wiped out? Well, if Bitcoin continues to go down, you know, then TRX will continue to go down too. All right? Just what it is. I don't, you know, I don't like holding any coin right now, so. Let me read these questions here. 2017, yeah, ridiculous with the ICOs. Yeah, you're right. Okay. The ICOs was crazy. Yes, BitConnect was crazy. You know, I can tell. I mean, I'm surprised a lot of people. Well, you have to understand, the people that got caught up with BitConnect, these guys are new to the financial world, so. You know, I'm guessing they didn't know that was a Ponzi scheme, but I mean, at the same time, it was screaming scam. Okay, scam. I mean, it was ridiculous. So a lot of these guys knew it was the top. You know, BitConnect died at the top. Charlie Lee pretty much got out at the top. So a lot of these guys probably know what's going on. Yeah, so when the public knew about the crypto, yeah, it was pretty much over, man. It was a wrap. Done deal. You know, CNBC pumping it up like crazy. Jason, let me ask you a question. Why are you buying Bitcoin at 3K? Jason, why are you buying Bitcoin at 3K? Let me know, please. What's going on, HD? Shout out to you, bro. Ryan, you said I'm short now? No. My wife said that's a scam. What? BitConnect? Crazy, guys. Crazy. But shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Definitely appreciate it. If all you guys, I mean, if anybody that's new and you're watching my live stream right now, hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Because I know some of you guys are feeling it right now. You're hurting. You can't figure out what's going on. You know, you're trying to figure out, you know, your favorite YouTuber is telling you, man, don't worry, be patient. But they've been telling you that all year. So if you're tired of that, guys, hit that subscribe button. Right? I'm going to tell you a different story. I'm not going to tell you the same thing what these guys are telling you. I'm going to tell you, bro, if you want to sell, sell. All right? A lot of these crypto YouTubers get mad at you when you say you're going to sell. I'm not one of those cryptos YouTubers, all right? I'm going to tell you, hey, bro, if you want to sell, I don't blame you. All right? Because I don't want to see your hard-earned money go down the drain. I'm into making money now. This is what the channel is about, making money now. I'm a full-time day trader, so that's what I do. I make money now. My students, they swing trade crypto markets. I have other day trading students that day trade the futures market. Those guys are making money now. All right. For you guys that buying the dips, you're sitting and waiting and hoping that the bull market is coming real soon. That's not how you make money, guys. Fran said, pulled out the market for now, polishing my stock market knowledge and try to regain. Hey, shout out to you, man. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Let me give you a round of applause, man. Because I see it already. A lot of YouTubers will attack you. All right, attack you if you sell. Especially the XRP community. They will attack you if you sell your coins. I'm not one of those. All right, I'm not one of those guys. I will never attack you because we don't know your situation. We don't know if you're going to be homeless tomorrow. We don't know if you have to pay your mortgage. We don't know nothing. All right, so if you want to sell, if you're nervous, yo, hey, man, you know, I don't blame you. I'd rather you guys take that money and use it and try to be productive and basically try to make more money with that money. All right. Let me see here. Jason said, from what I see, it gets some level at the level. You said, from what I see, it gets some at the level and put it in if it goes below after confirmation, I believe, taking a gamble. Jason, you shouldn't be taking a gamble, Jason. All right. Making money is not about gambling. It's about taking calculated risks. All right. Jason, I highly urge you to you know, take a break. Understand how the market works, do some research, and go from there. Okay, buying the bottom just because you think it's going up, that's not a good strategy. What's going on, Menace? Hey Ben, want you to know that you do a great job on your live stream, for real. You make it flow well, man. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, bro. Who knew? Who knew? Who attacked me? Who knew said you saw the vid, they attacked you also in it. What video you talking about? Who knew? Who attacked me? Let me know. Let me know, bro. You know. But yeah, guys, you know, right now we are looking at a market that doesn't care what you think. We are looking at a market that is looking to take everything that you have. And is not going to apologize, guys. So you really have to understand what you're doing. You really have to understand what you're doing. This is not a guessing game. This is not a video game. Okay, the market is a trick bag, guys. It's a trick bag. It's always trying to trick you. Always trying to trick you. All right, so that's why I don't focus on the news, because the news is just another trick up these guys' sleeves. Okay, the news would say one thing and the market would do another. It's just how it works, guys. The whole market is about tricking you. That's why I don't care about the back situation or ETFs or all this other extra stuff. It's just a trick. I mean, it's to the point where I don't even know if the whole Wall Street story is true. Okay, everybody's saying that Wall Street is coming in. Where? You don't have no proof that Wall Street is coming in. Number one, why will Wall Street come at these levels? It doesn't make any sense. Why will Wall Street come at these high levels? Number two, we don't have no evidence that Wall Street is in. Okay, not the big dogs. I don't care about the little dogs. I'm talking about the big dogs. Back, they delay. Talking about January, we don't know if they're going to really come. Even if they do decide to set up shop, we don't know how successful that's going to be. We don't know if the real big dogs are going to step in, because you have to understand the big dogs are looking at cryptocurrency like a cheap market. So you have to understand, guys, the market is always trying to trick you. You can read all the news you want. It doesn't matter. And you don't even have to believe me. You just basically look at this year. You don't have to believe anything I say. The proof is right in front of you, the charts. Let me zoom out for you guys. Okay, let me zoom out. Remind you what's going on this year. Okay, we've been getting good news all year, still dropping. So you don't have to believe me. That's why I love the charts, because the charts never lie. The charts always have my back. So when a troll comes on my live stream and troll me and say, hey man, November 5th, November 15th, December this, December that, I just laugh, because they don't know what they're talking about. The market doesn't work like that. I can't find it back. I will look later. Yeah, who's? I need to research. I haven't remember it. So you don't know who the YouTuber name is? Anyway, let me go back to these questions. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Type in your questions, guys. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you are tired of losing, tired of just being that guy, I know some of you guys is asking yourself, why me? Why me? Right? I know it. I know some of you guys saying, why me? I did all the research. I did all the necessary research. I read the white paper. I read the news. I listened to my favorite YouTuber. He been telling me we're going to go to the moon. Why me? Why I'm losing money for? If you're that person, hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit it right now. Hit it. Bitcoin is going to reverse in 15 days. Watch out, shorts. Oh, boy. Yeah, JD. XRP community has proven themselves over and over that they don't want to be a part of Dom said, I'm so glad I sold my XRP. Shout out to you, Dom. Dom, let me give you that bomb real quick. Shout out to you. U.S. economy is a giant bubble. Yes, market. Yes, you're right. It is a bubble. And I'm waiting for it to pop, okay? But, you know, these guys have a lot of money to prop up the market. So you got to give it time. Fran said, will you consider doing live streams on your day trading in other markets? Yeah, I thought about that. So basically, I day trade the crude oil. Okay. I probably will mix it up. I actually talked about day trading. Friends, I actually talked about day trading. I think a couple of streams ago. I talked about it. I talked about crude oil and what I look for and how to build a strategy. So I actually did. I forgot about that. I actually did a live stream about that a couple of days ago. And you can check that out. Minute said, Ben is right. Bitcoin must hit rock bottom to get rid of the other coins, which are worthless. Yes. So don't buy the dips and get Ben's course and study. You will make money, period. Shout out to you, Minutes. I forgot about the course. If you guys want this, during the live stream, I give you guys 50% off. All right. So this is the course he's talking about. If you don't know how to make money now in these current conditions, definitely check out this product right here. It's the best product on the market. If you go down, you'll see the testimonials of people making money. I have students that made 20,000. I have students that made 30,000. And just go and look at the testimonials. It comes with a Discord room. It will show you how to make money in the bear market, bull market. It will show you how to become a professional. Okay, how to enter, how to exit, stop loss, and everything. If you have any questions, let me know. But that, like I said, that price right here is only for the live stream. So when I get off the live stream, it goes back down. I mean, it goes back up to 300. And also, I got a day trading course. Teach you how to day trade the futures market. Okay, this is a beast right here. I have a lot of students making money from that. You can check that out too. If guys have any questions, let me know. What's going on here? Oh boy. Yeah, who knew? Let me know who knew. Because I don't remember anyone tell me about someone talking trash. Edward said, yeah, there was one yesterday. What a joke. What are you talking about? Why are all these YouTubers encouraging dollar cost averaging in the active bear market? Isn't the best? Yes. So Michael, yes, you are right. Okay. So you have to understand, Michael, most of these YouTubers, they don't understand the markets. Okay. They are new to this stuff. They got lucky last year. Okay. So they treating this like a video game. And they treating it like a bull market. Okay, the bull market, you want to buy dips in the bull market. All right, but when the market change and we are in the bear market, you don't want to dollar cost average, because the market can go low, real low, and not only it can go real low, it can actually stay at those low prices for a long time. All right, so you're just going to be stuck. That's why I teach my subscribers how to make money now, because making money now is the best way to build wealth, right? That's what the rich guys are doing. Okay, I follow the rich because those guys are rich for a reason. So those guys focus on making money now. Guess what? That's what I'm doing. All right. That's how I'm able to do this full time, guys. I don't have to depend on no ETFs, no backs, no nothing. You said yesterday is not a security right after the price dropped. Yeah, crazy. Someone said clickbait title. Bitcoin did drop. Okay, so I don't get how that's how does clickbait when Bitcoin dropped today? I mean, let me know. Let me see here. Shorted EOS today, Big Ben. Thanks to you. Shout out to you. Let me give you that ka-ching button, bro. And let me give you that bomb. Yeah, you know, I'm not messing with Internet Explorer no more. That's what I was using. I'm using Google Chrome right now, and it's much faster. That's why, like, 2 days in a row, my whole internet browser just crashed. I'm not using that thing no more. Crypto Inspo's in the house. Shout out to you, bro. You said why does because they're not using the same system. All right. Why do TradingView have different candles? Sometimes, yeah, they're not using the same system to calculate the numbers. Trade and get profits, or crypto going to take your profit, your pockets. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to Golden Arm. Golden Arm is actually one of my students. Shout out to him, man. Thanks a lot for that $5 super chat, bro. I appreciate that. Definitely appreciate that. XRP community got blocked from the creator of Dogecoin. They posted stupid comments to their page. I really can't stand. Yeah, I know. I can't stand what they morphed into either, because it's sad, man. You know, it's sad what the XRP community is going through right now. You know, because you have a whole bunch of people going crazy, thinking that XRP is Neo from the Matrix, right? Is the one. They think XRP is the one. And I remember a guy, when the market was up here, he was like, yeah, man, XRP is stable. That's when XRP was at 50 cents. I was like, bro, what do you mean stable? You know, just give it time. If Bitcoin goes down, XRP is going down too. I mean, XRP is a crypto currency just like these other coins, so please stop it. You know, it's funny because these XRP dudes want to troll, right? But they don't. It's funny how they don't call out. They love to come here on my live stream and troll, but it's funny how they don't call out their own dudes. How come you don't call out your XRP YouTuber and say, hey, bro, you said that we're going to go to $3, or we're going to be at $3 at the end of the year, or we're going to be at $5 at the end of the year, or $10, whatever the case is. How come you don't call those guys out? Meanwhile, me and my team and my students is making money, shorting XRP, making money, shorting Bitcoin, shorting the crypto market, making money, and you guys is talking crazy. Nothing is going up right now. It's just the bear market. That's how it works. I don't control the market. Don't get mad at me. I'm not bringing the market down. You said one. Yeah, it's a good time. It's just a lot of my I'm heavy on the future market right now, Sammy. Yeah, take profits, bro. Coinbase, you can withdraw with PayPal. Oh, for real? No fee withdrawing. All right, shout out to you. ABC, we stock scam alert. What you know about those we stock? Golden on. Golden on. You playing the we stocks? Richard said, how can we make money day trading? I have a day trading course, okay? I don't day trade the cryptos, all right? Because there's better markets out here to day trade. I day trade the futures market. I have a course on that. And the course is right now $950. But if you have that crypto course, you can get it for $750. That will show you everything you need to know. From that course, I am in the process of building six-figure traders. That's what I want to do with that course. And it will teach you everything. It'll teach you how these Wall Street guys make money from the markets. All right, this is how I do it every single day. And the crypto market is this course is about swing trading. So it all depends on your situation. Do you want to swing trade? Do you want to day trade? Ben, it was cryptocurrency today saying he has proof the currency will go up. It was towards the end of your stream yesterday. Edward Park, what were you talking about? I'm confused. You said, yeah, there was one yesterday. What a joke. You talking about a troll? Oh, you probably talking about a troll. Okay. Listen, everyone, we need to see one. No, we don't, JD. JD, the market is in the bear market. This market, we are in the bear market. So, just sit back and study the market. Stop trying to look for the bottom. Jason said, I'm in it for 3 to 5 years, so I feel it will be win-win. Jason, that's the problem, Jason. Because when I talk about the market and making money now and swing trading and day trading, most people say, hey man, I don't want to do that. I just want to buy and hold because it's easy, right? I don't want to do that. Swing trade, what is that? That means I have to study. I have to practice. I got to put in hard work. I don't want to do that. I just want to buy and sit back and look at TV and wait 2 to 3 years. See, the problem with that, Jason, is if this market was, well, even if this market wasn't a regulated market, you know, the way cryptocurrency is going right now, it might not be 5 years. You know, your money might not see anything or grow 5 years from now. Because what's going on with crypto market right now, guys, is a takeover. I don't think most you guys understand what I'm trying to tell you during my live streams. Most people think it's a joke. You think I'm just talking this to be talking. No, guys. What's going on right now in the crypto market, it's a takeover. So your 3 to 5 years, it might take way longer than that. All right? Bitcoin might be another situation with, you know, another situation like gold or silver. Okay? Remember that gold rush? Let's look at silver. What's silver? What's silver at right now? I mean gold right now. Remember that gold rush? All right. Let's see what gold is at right now. Let me go back. It's not even a good chart right here. Let me see if I can find a better chart than this. All right, so you know, a lot of people been in gold for a long time and still didn't see any profits. All right. And that's because, guys, when it comes to the market, any market, I don't care what market it is, be cryptocurrency, I don't care what market it is, guys, we don't have no control. You have to understand that, guys. When it comes to a market, we don't have no control. The market can do whatever it wants. Even if you don't want to believe it, some of you guys, oh, no, that's impossible, whatever. You don't have to believe me. The market can do whatever it wants. Right? People that got gold right now, bought 10 years ago, they still stuck. No profits. Let's look at silver. Same thing with silver, right? $14, guys. Let's back this up. If I back this up. Right? So if you bought like 10 years ago, still no profits. Still stuck. All right? So all you guys that's saying, "Oh, man, I'm willing to wait 3 to 5 years. I don't care." That's the problem, guys. I'm trying to wake you up. I'm trying to wake you up and realize, bro, guys, we don't have any say so when it comes to these markets. We just an average Joe, a retailer. All right, we are the small fish. We don't have no say, guys. Nothing. So it might not even be no 5 years, okay? It just, you have to understand what's really going on, okay? A takeover, right? The government is in crypto market now, all right? If now let's say that the market was, the government wasn't in the market and we were still unregulated and going up, okay? I wouldn't be saying that. I would say, okay, yeah, 3 to 5 years, yeah, no, that sounds pretty good. But since the government is in the market, guys, I don't think you guys understand how the government will destroy crypto. These regulations that they put, or they're going to put in place, it's going to destroy it because it's going to make it slow. So for all your guys that's waiting 3 to 4 or 5 years, bro, good luck. Good luck, bro. Because there's no way in the world I'm going to wait 5 years or 10 years from now and wait and see my coin at the same price. No way in the world. I would be probably I would be real depressed. All right. There's no way I would put myself in that position. So for all you guys that think that the bull market is coming next year, guys, man, you have a lot to learn, man. Not only you have a lot to learn, stop being lazy. There's money to be made right now in the crypto market or these other markets. Why are you not making money now? What is the problem here? Are you really that lazy? I just don't get it. What is the problem? Money right in front of your face. You don't want to grab it. I just don't get it, guys. Stop being lazy. Stop thinking that, oh, you can buy a coin and get $1 million next week. It doesn't work like that. We had a good run, a good 10-year run, and most of us was late, including myself. And I could actually admit that I'm late to the party. I can admit that. Golden on we stocks. The next Bitcoin will like scam ACB. Stay away. Shout out to Golden on. Let me give you that bomb, bro. Travis said, good night, Ben. Glad to be here again, man. Shout out to you, bro. Can you explain the takeover? Mark, this is how it goes, all right? This is how it goes. The government, right? You have to understand the government, the feds, they act slow. They don't act right away, okay? Look at how they take down these drug lords. They don't take them down right away. They wait years before they take them down. They build up a case. They make sure they have all their ducks in a row before they attack. All right? Bitcoin, we had a good strong 10 years. Boom, whatever. Now, they are seeing average Joes making millions of dollars. They are not good with that. They don't like that, bro. Mark, they don't like that. All right? I don't care what no one say. I don't care, you know. Oh, you know, you can say whatever you want to say. They don't like that. Trust me. Okay? The same reason why they regulated the stock market and after the .com boom. Okay? After that .com boom, they put a lot of regulations. Okay? So the average Joe, you know, couldn't make a lot of money like that. Okay? So after the .com boom, the government decided to say, hey, man, in order to day trade the stock market, you have to have $25,000 in your account. Okay? So they don't like when the average Joe, you know, makes a lot of money, because what it basically does is it gives people a lot of control. All right, and it's basically easy money. Now, if you make money, if you start a business, you work hard for your money, they don't mind that. You know why they don't mind that? Because they know that most people are not going to work hard. Most people are not going to have a successful business. So they don't mind one or two or a couple of thousand people become rich. They don't mind that. But when you have millions of people, you know, getting rich real quick, easy, nah, they gotta come in. They gotta take over. It's just how it is. It's how it works, guys. All right. The Matrix is not, you know, it's not a world that we can just walk around free and do what we want. You know, I'm trying to help you guys, but it, you know, it is what it is. Some of you guys are not going to wake up. Oil market dip. It's been been dipping. Richard said, nah, I'm good. I want money now. Let me give you that bomb, Richard. Richard said, nah, I'm good. I want money now. Woo! I'm good. I want that money now. That's what you guys should be saying. That's what the rich is saying, right? That's what the rich guys are saying. The rich guys are saying, hey man, I'm making money now. These little guys, ha ha ha, we taking all their money. Because that's what they're doing, guys. The whales are taking your money right now as we speak. Just put your money in a 2% CD. No. What CD is 2%? Number one. I don't think you could find a 2% CD and you can actually make more than 2% if you are not lazy. I want a good life with crypto also. I'm done working myself to death. And at the end, I have to munch. But problem is, my English language is not the best. What do you mean? Your English language is not the best. I'm reading your statement real good. Okay. Who cares if your English language is not the best? When you study these markets, the market doesn't know that you don't speak English that good. Okay. The market doesn't care about that. The market doesn't care about your skin color. The market doesn't know anything, okay? Once you press that buy button or that sell button, that's it, okay? You can make money. The market doesn't care. The market doesn't judge you at all. That's why I love the markets. Bridget, how can we make money when you say now is not a good time to buy coins? So why don't you tell us how to make money? Bridget, I'm guessing that you're new to my channel. All right. It's very simple, Bridget. Okay. Last year, we was going up. Okay. So that means that if we was going up last year, I'm only looking to buy the market, all right? Because my strategy is based on the major trend, okay? And basically, if the market is trending up, if the market is going up, I don't want to go against the trend, okay? So imagine me trying to short the market last year. I would be a dummy, and I will lose a lot of money. Why? Because the force was to the upside. The momentum is to the upside. I don't want to step in front of a train. I don't want to do that. Okay? So you have to understand, Bridget, we as in retailers, all right, we are small, okay? We are small and we are going against giants. These giants bring up the market, okay? These guys, they move the market. So you never want to get in these guys' way. You want to always be on the same team, and actually go with the big dogs. Okay, so if the big dogs is bringing up the market, you want to buy. So that's what I was doing last year. I was buying, boom, 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 buying. This year, the big dogs is bringing the market down. So guess what? Boom, boom, I'm selling. Now, how you sell is basically you study the charts. You look for a certain pattern, okay? Like, so, for example, you can look for a triangle or you look for a bear flag, whatever the case is. I have multiple setups that I look for. And you can get in when you see a decent setup, okay? Shorting the market is not hard. It's the opposite of buying. So instead of pressing buy, you press sell. And when you're selling, you're not selling a cryptocurrency. You're basically selling. You're basically just selling. Or you're borrowing something. But the whole thing is you don't have to have a cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's say that you don't have Bitcoin at all in your portfolio. You don't have to have Bitcoin in your portfolio. All you have to do is have money in your account, right? And you deal with an exchange that allows you to short. Okay, and once you see a nice setup, you press that sell button, and boom, you watch the money come in, and you sit and you take your profits, and you have money. Okay, so you don't need to have the crypto or own the crypto at all. All you need is money in your account. Study the charts, study the setups, study how to get in, how to exit, all that stuff. Okay, I have a course on that. You can check that out. If you look at the price, this price is only for the live stream, and the original price is $300. So when I get off this live stream, it's going right back to $300. All right. Some of you guys think it's a game when I say make money now, guys. You're gonna be waiting for a long time until you wake up. Some of you guys just have to, because you know how you dealing with you deal with drug addicts. You know, some drug addicts don't want to wake up until it's too late. Or some drunk drivers don't want to stop driving drunk until it's too late. I don't want you guys to wait until it's too late. Wake up now, guys. Wake up now. Let me see here. Let me see if I see. And guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I know some of you guys are tired of losing. If you're tired of losing, if you're confused, don't understand what's going on, hit this subscribe button right now, guys. Right now. Okay? Because some of you guys are going to try to buy the dip, and I don't want you guys to lose money. I saved a lot of people money this year, just by telling people, chill out, stop buying the bottoms. Okay, you know how many people email me when the market crashed like this and broke that triangle? You know how many people email me and say, yo, bro, I'm so glad I sold because, I could have lost a lot of money. When everybody was saying that the 6,000 was a bottom, we couldn't go below, I was saying, bro, chill out. This is a bear market. The bear market can do whatever it wants to. You don't own this market. You don't control this market. No one controls this market. So you can't sit here and tell me it's impossible for Bitcoin to do anything. Because if you sit here and tell me it's impossible, that's just your beliefs or what you feel inside. It's not the truth. It's not the facts. You don't have no facts backing that up. So I like to forget about hope and beliefs. I want to learn how can I make money now from the markets. That's it. When I first started out, I said to myself, man, this is it, guys. This is it. This is it. I wanted to do this full time. I hated my job at the time. Okay? I was working 12-hour shifts. I hated that, guys. I don't know about you, some of you guys, but at the time when I was working, I hated my job. Hated my job. Some of you guys probably like your job. I don't know. And honestly, I hardly think that, it's probably some of you guys know that you don't like your job. You just probably lying to yourself because some of you guys are scared. Scared to take that next level or that next step. Guys, don't be scared. I want you guys to think about, if you don't take in action, where you're going to be, 10 years from now. You're going to be that same guy that's going to work? I'm going to read these questions right here. Bridget said, thank you, Ben, for the explanation. Like a lot clearer to me now. Yes, I'm new to your channel. Okay, shout out to you. Yeah, you know, overall, guys, you know, this is what I do full time. So, I'm trying to help people out. That's all I'm trying to do. Most YouTubers, they don't do this full time, so they can't help you out. Or they say, hey man, buy them and be patient. That's all they can tell you. Buy bottoms and be patient. That's it. While the market is going down every single month. I would never tell you guys that. You are losing your hard-earned money. I would never tell you to be patient while you're losing your hard-earned money. Okay, you might need that money to pay bills, or you might be, you know, if you don't sell, you might be homeless next month. Okay, so I would never tell you to not sell, or I mean, not tell you to buy the dips like that. Do you subscribe to the it's a possibility that 2800 could be some type of support, whatever. But it all that means is just temporary support. Okay. I believe we will go below 1000. Okay. I believe we will go below the 1000 mark. This seems like it would take too much time out of the day. How much time do you put in a single day day trading? Daniel, I don't know if you are working right now. So let me know, okay? And if you're not working right now, it doesn't matter how much time you take out. I mean, basically during the day when I day trade, I can day trade for 3 or 4 hours, and that's it. Leslie Savage say, Ben, I work 12-hour shift and I hate it. That's why I bought your course on trading, trying to leave the rat race. Shout out to you, Leslie. I don't know what's going on with this. Let me see if I can reset. Shout out to you. Let me hit that bomb real quick. Leslie Savage said he works that 12-hour shift. He hates it. That's why he bought my course, man. Shout out to you, bro. How I get your day trading course using options? I don't know what you mean using options. How do I get your day trading course using options? Can you? I don't know what you're talking about using options. But my day trading course is about trading the futures market. Okay, right now I'm trading crude oil. Okay. Just go on my channel. You will see me day trade live multiple times. Here's the link. If you have the crypto course, you will get a discount with this. But let me see here. Most YouTubers are telling you to buy to protect your own value, coin value. They are misleading you. Yes, man, they're definitely misleading you guys. All right, definitely misleading you. Hey, what's going on, Ken? Shout out to you, bro. All right. I'm about to probably get out of here soon. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. I hope you guys are, doing good. Doing real good. But, I'm here to let you guys know. Guys, you have it. All you have to do is open your mind, guys. All you have to do is open your mind. Some of you guys just need to wake up. Hey, Ben, I bought your first trading course a few months ago. Is your new day trading course any different? If you bought this course, the crypto course, then yeah. So this one right here, this day trading course is about day trading the future market. All right. So this is day trading the futures market. It's new. I came out with it maybe 3 weeks ago. And it's videos on how I extract money from the markets. Don't bet on, yes, yeah, I know, exactly. Shout out to you, Michael. Edward said, thanks, Ben, for your time. Yeah, no problem, man. No problem, bro. Okay. Some of you guys need to, just hope you guys just wake up, man, because success is right here. And right in front of your eyes, guys. You just got to practice, get used to it. All right? Practice, get used to whatever you're trying to do. And that's it. Stop doing the same things over and over and over, looking for the same results. Golden Arm said, I'm making all type of demo gains thanks to Ben's course, man. Shout out to you, man. Yes, Golden Arm is actually BTC going down soon. It looks like it's probably going to hit that low, that 3,400 low. Golden Arm is actually one of my students. Raw Cut said, Raw said, great information. Just subscribe, man. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause. All right, let me give you a round of applause. Yeah, guys, I'm just trying to help you guys out. That's all. Okay? I want you to buy when the market is going up. All right? When the market is going down like this, I don't want you guys to buy. You would be better off waiting until you see confirmation and then you get in. The reason why is because in a bear market, we don't know when, the bottom, okay? The bottom is not what you're thinking right now, okay? The bottom could actually be all the way down here, okay? All the way down here. So, and not only is all the way, could be all the way down there, it can actually take a long time to get out of the bottom. So meanwhile, while you're waiting for that bull market, you can actually make money now. That's all I'm trying to tell you guys. While you're waiting for that bull market, you can make money now. Some of you guys are just lazy. Just what it is. I got to keep it real. Crypto Corey said, I'm watching your course as we speak, bro. Shout out to you, man. Yeah, $200 a day, 50K a year. Shout out to you, Golden Arm. Bottom will be a sub 1K complete reset. Yes. So basically, the reason why I believe the market will go below 1,000 is because most people swear up and down 3,000 is the bottom. All right. They have to make people bleed. Most people are not bleeding yet. People are still talking about the moon and buy dips and all that stuff. People have to say, man, I think I'm done with crypto. This is ridiculous. What's your favorite 3 indicators? Daniel, I don't use indicators at all, Daniel. I know that sounds weird, but I just focus on the candles support and resistance. That's it. All right. I don't use any indicators. The reason why is because indicators are lagging. Do they work? Yeah, they could work. Okay. But I don't trust them. What's the dime of the day you input to make $200? We day trade crude oil, so I mean I have students that's in the UK. They trade sometimes. I'm on the east. I live in the US, so I'm on the East Coast. So East Coast time, they probably wake up. Well, you know, they probably up around 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. They trading. The market opens up around 9 o'clock Eastern time. So you can trade, you know, pretty much those hours. Auto public, we don't care about that. We don't care about no you know. So what that means, I don't get that. So you're basically saying that, you know, in the bull market will not perform as well as the previous bull. Maybe yes, yeah, okay, exactly. So exactly, Michael, you're right. You know, so most people swear up and down that, you know, the next bull market is going to be like the last one. It just might be a slow market because the market right now, you know, the government is trying to take over. How often do I lose in trading? Do you mean like days? Like how many days I lose? That's what you're trying to say? All right, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I appreciate everybody. I'll probably take a couple more questions. But if you guys have any more questions, you know, you can email me about anything. Ken said, if you listen to Ben, at least you won't lose money. Yes. So that's what I tell you guys, you know. At least you'll save money, okay? Because most of you guys want to buy the dip. Most of you guys want to buy that dip. Okay, and I'm trying to at least save you money on that. At least save you money on that. Go Philly. What's going on? You watching football? All right, so shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate everybody that's coming in. I mean, that came in this live stream. I will see you guys tomorrow or whenever. And let me give you guys a round of applause. What's going on with okay. Yeah, auto public. I don't know what's going on here. But guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and make sure that you study. Make sure that you improve as a trader, as an investor. Always look to gain knowledge or grow. Because if you're just a guy that's sitting here waiting for that bull market, ask yourself, how are you growing if you're just sitting and waiting? All right? Ask yourself that, guys. If you're sitting and waiting for that bull market, how are you growing? You're not growing at all. You're just a guy that's waiting. You're not trying to gain no knowledge. You're not trying to take it to the next level. You're not trying to do anything that's outside of your comfort zone. Most of you guys want to stay in that comfort zone, and that's not how you grow. And Brayson said, don't leave yet. Why? What happened? Paralyzed client, what's going on? You said don't leave. Why? Let me see. Is anybody having trouble with using Ben's course on a Mac? I can't seem to open up the course Mac Air. What's you guys open up this course? First of all, what course you're talking about? That's number one. If you're talking about when you get this course and you're downloading it, you're talking about that, then basically if you're using a Mac, email me, okay? Email me, and I will give you the app that most you guys use, okay? Most of the Mac users use to open up that the file. So Embracing, email me right now. Let me give you my email address. And I will give you the instructions how to open up the course. All right. So I just gave you my email address. All right. And you can email me. Yes. So shout out to you. All right, guys. So I appreciate you guys, and to continue to do your thing. I'm about to watch hopefully some basketball. I don't know. But stay safe. Please don't buy the dips. This could get ugly, guys. I mean, really, this could get ugly, real ugly. I don't know if it's going to happen tomorrow. It might not happen tomorrow. They might take a breather tomorrow, or they might sell off tomorrow. We'll see. Let me look at the weekly chart real quick before I go. Let's look at that weekly chart. Let me see here. Yeah, so all depends on how this weekly chart is going to form. If this weekly chart decides to go crazy, I can definitely see this weekly chart going all the way down to that 29 level. Okay, but at least, you know, if it stays to the red, you know, I can see it go down to that 29 level. Now, if they decide to bring this thing back up to that 44, we definitely still have resistance around that number. All right, so so shout out to you guys. I'm about to get out of here. I appreciate all you guys, and if you guys have any questions, you can email me. All right. Yeah, time to practice on the chart. T-Lo said I made it. Yeah, I'm about to be out of here, T-Lo. All right. All right, yeah, guys. So thanks a lot for your time, and have a great night.